Hello guys, welcome back. I am Deepak Kunyal. In previous lecture we have seen that how we can take input from the keyboard and how to print it on the screen. And for that we have used two objects, cout and cin, and also two operators. One is insertion operator, which is used with cout, and another extraction operator that is used with the cin. So we can try to print out, or we can try to run this program again. We compile it, then we run the program, enter two numbers, one, another number 2, and we can see the output. We can also try to run another program. We have a hello world program which just print the message hello world. So let us try to run this program. We are compiling it. Now we are running the file. So as we have seen that we have two files, insertion file, insertion and extraction.cpp, and another is hello.cpp. So we have a compilation step here where the file is converted to a.out, or we can see like here, try to remove a.out. Now we don't have any a.out file. Compile hello.cpp and let us see what output we get, and we get a.out here, right? So we have seen that this is just a command, and this is converting this hello.cpp and giving us another file a.out, which is executable file. But this process is not just one step process. This process consists of many phases, as we will be discussing in this lecture. So let us start with phases of compilation. So first step in this phases of compilation is source code, or we can also say creating a program. So as we have seen till now, that first step is creating a program, as we have created this program. Second step in this row is pre-processing the code, or pre-processing the source file, and the file that is generated from this pre-processing first we'll write here. Let us suppose we are writing a hello.cpp. It should be hello.cpp. Then when a file is processed, we get hello.ii in C++, or if we talk about C, we will get hello.i in C. Third step in this row is compiling a program, and from this step we get another file that is called hello.s. See the fourth step, and this is called or we can say that this hello. Is assembly code. So assembler is needed to understand this code, and it creates another file which is called hello.o. We can say that this is object file. Fifth step is linking. Linking compiles multiple object code and produces one file, that is executable file. If we see file in Windows, we will get hello.exe, or in Linux you may get hello or a.out, depending on the situation. That we will be discussing later how it can be done. So when you get an executable file, then there is another step, or we can say that when exe file is generated, exe, that is note it down. Exe file is stored in hard disk as an exe image. Then there is sixth step and we call it loading. So loading, what loading is going to do, this will load the program in memory so that it can be executed. And the seventh step is execution. So we'll discuss these steps one by one, but first let me tell few things. As we have seen that source code written in this file is this whole code, and we can read this code exactly what we have written. So the way this file is getting stored in our hard disk will be in the form of ASCII characters, or we can say, if I am writing /n, this character will be stored as 10 because it is the ASCII value of this character, and similarly for others. So these kind of files are called text files, which are stored as ASCII values. Any other file that is not stored as ASCII character is called binary file. All files other than ASCII files, or we can say all files than ASCII files. So generally, if we talk about this process, this whole process, the source file is stored as text file. The file we get after pre-processing is also a text file, and the file we get after compilation is also a text file, but the file we get after assembler is binary file. And then after that all the files are binary files. So we'll be seeing in the next lecture how we compile the program in such a way that we can see all the files and whether these files are actually text file or binary files. We'll be looking into the next lecture. So guys, if you have any doubt or any query, please put it in the comments, and you can also write me a mail and I will try to revert back. Thank you so much.